Hey, welcome back with a new video. We'll look into trade update of Euro GBP as I am interested to look into the technical sell trade from here to the downside. I was waiting for the daily Doji or the daily engulfing candle. We are right now creating daily Doji, but and pretty much 4 hours is going to get bearish tomorrow. This is going to close like this, then the next candle is going to create upside, and the next candle is going to create a downside, and then it is going to shift to the bearish, and then we were here. We're going to take the sell trade from here to here, easy fucking lee. Isn't it that crazy? This is so fucking simple. It is simple. And the tomorrow will be having a beautiful engulfing candle to the downside. It is going to come to the downside. Am I going to take the trade? Maybe, maybe not. We'll look into it. So trade, stick to the point. Oh, stick to the videos. In the next video, we'll look into the trade of CHF JP